Welcome back, garden lovers. Today, we're focusing on a fun and educational activity, gardening with kids. Gardening is a fantastic way to teach children about nature, responsibility, and the joy of growing their own food. Let's dive into some exciting projects to get kids involved in the garden. First up, starting with seeds. This simple project teaches kids about plant life cycles. Here's how to get started. First, choose easy-to-grow seeds. Sunflowers, beans, and marigolds are perfect for beginners. Second, show kids how to plant seeds in small pots with soil. Explain the importance of sunlight and water. Third, encourage kids to observe and record the growth of their plants in a gardening journal. Next, let's create a mini herb garden. This project is great for teaching kids about different plant uses. First, select herbs. Choose kid-friendly herbs like basil, mint, and parsley. Second, help kids plant the herbs in a container garden. Explain how herbs can be used in cooking and for their scent. Third, teach kids how to care for their herbs and harvest them when they're ready. Building a fairy garden is a magical way to spark kids' imagination and creativity. First, choose a container. Find a shallow container or a section of the garden to create the fairy garden. Next, add small plants like succulents and moss and let the kids arrange them as they like. Finally, decorate with fairy houses, pebbles, and other small decorations. Let the kids' creativity shine through as they build their very own enchanting space. Growing vegetables is both fun and rewarding. Here's how to involve kids in the process. Start by picking easy veggies. Begin with easy-to-grow vegetables like cherry tomatoes, radishes, and lettuce. Next, show the kids how to plant and space the seeds or seedlings properly. And for maintenance, teach them about watering, weeding, and pest control. Involve them in harvesting and enjoy the fresh produce together. This hands-on experience is not only educational, but also a great way to bond. Gardening with kids is a wonderful way to spend time together while teaching them valuable life skills. These fun and educational projects will get your little ones excited about gardening. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!